Direct means. Before just going to definition, let me tell you one thing. See, when we talk to somebody or any friend or any person, there are two methods to repeat that conversation. Like if I had a talk with my friend about something, and after I have finished that, if I'm repeating the same words to somebody else in the same manner, whatever sentences we have used or whatever the communication we have done, then it is called direct speech. That is, I haven't made any modification in the communication. Whatever was said, I just repeated that. But if I modify the communication and tell it in some other form, it will be called as indirect narration. In direct narration is a kind of speech which is reported by some other person exactly in the words spoken by the speaker. Like we have to just repeat the same words. For example, Seema said, I am going now. In direct speech, we always use this quotation marks or inverted commas. And in indirect speech, it is a speech which is reported by some other person by using certain conjunctions, and there can be change in pronouns, tenses, etc. For example, she told him that she would give him money. Here, we haven't used any quotation marks, means no inverted commas. Moreover, I have used a conjunction that here. So, the difference is, in direct speech, we use inverted commas. And why we use inverted commas or quotation marks? This is to show that we are repeating the words exactly without any change. We are not modifying anything. But in indirect speech, we don't use quotation marks. Also, we have used the conjunction that before the indirect statement. Now I will let you know that how can we convert a direct speech into indirect speech and what three major points we have to take care while converting it. Let us see this. How to convert a sentence from direct to indirect. If in direct sentence I say, she said, I am a doctor. In indirect it will become, she said that she was a doctor. Here I will tell you one thing. See, in direct speech there are quotation marks or we can say inverted commas. But in indirect speech, no inverted commas will be there. Moreover, a conjunction that is also used. A few more things you should take care is this I got converted into she, and this is a pronoun. Also, when we have discussed it in direct speech, it is I am a doctor. That is a present tense. And here it is changed in was. That means we have converted it into past tense. So here I got converted into she and am got converted into was. So what we have to do for converting direct into indirect is for the very first change the pronouns, then back shift the tense, and then change the time and place. I repeat, change the pronouns, back shift the tense, and change the time and place. Here, by back shifting, what I mean? Back shift is to convert any tense into the past tense. Okay. So this is called back shifting, to convert any tense, to convert present tense or some tense which we have used in the sentence back into the past sentence that we are talking about. The past is called back shifting. Let us try to understand these three changes in indirect with the help of examples. Here, she said, I am a doctor in this hospital. What I am going to do is, she said that, no inverted commas, she said that she was a doctor in that hospital. Here, I got converted into she, am got converted into was, and this hospital got converted into that. That is change in the time and place. I becomes she, that is change in pronoun. Then am become was, that is because of back shifting of the tense. And this becomes that for the change of place. Let's see one more example. In direct speech, it will be, Sita said, I am very busy now. Here, I have used now to show the time. In indirect speech, it will become, Sita said that she was very busy then. What I have done, no inverted commas in indirect speech. I got converted in she. If here we have used a female, we are converting it into she. But in case if here it is a male, it will convert it into he. That is, it will go according to the subject here. Am is converted into was because am is used in present tense and was is representing past tense. Now is expression of time and it is becoming then. Expression of time got changed here. So this is the basic changes we have to make. We have to do in indirect speech, and it is very easy to convert direct into indirect if you are aware of few rules. I'll be doing one more video specifically on the rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. So don't miss that video. For a complete rules knowledge, you have to